it isn't the end of the world when the department is eliminated, maybe for various local personal reasons, a sad thing, but the important thing for science and for teaching it is that good people find a home somewhere. One of the contributors to the decline in Albany was when our famous John Dewey left for Oxford University in England. So he found a good home, didn't he? And likewise with several other people. I don't think anyone has been left entirely high and dry by the abandonment of geology at Albany. It happens. Another thing that happens, Dan, of course, is new departments spring up here and there occasionally. Ours did way back in the 1966 or so time. We came and then we went.
Yeah, today there are some departments that they are very close to be cut from the university, like probably close to you. You heard about the University of Vermont.
Indeed.
Yes. So
No,
is there anything that you would suggest them? How should they behave?
I don't know enough about the circumstances there or anywhere anymore. But I think taking it in good heart and looking for other work is the best way to behave.